Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about making your Smartsheet projects more organized and visually clear by attaching documents and adding images right inside your sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to attach evidence, references, or important context directly to your Smartsheet rows and cells, so your team always has what they need exactly where they need it. Let's dive in and start simplifying your workspace. Alright, let's start with the basics, attaching documents right to your rows. Go to the row where you want to add an attachment. You'll notice a little paperclip icon. This is your Attachments button. Give that icon a click. What happens next is your Attachments panel will slide out, either to the side or bottom depending on your screen. This is your new best friend when you're sharing meeting notes, receipts, supporting documents, anything your project requires. You can simply drag files from your computer right into this area or click Attach Files and browse to what you need. Smartsheet supports a broad variety of file types, so whether it's a PDF, spreadsheet, image, or even a video, you're good to go. If you have multiple files, attach them all in one go, no need to repeat the same steps over and over. This method keeps everything lined up with the right row, so your entire team knows, for example, that row 7 always has the invoice or signed contract attached. If you're working in a large sheet, attachments like this are a real-time saver. Here's a neat little extra. If you're in the Conversations panel within Smartsheet, there's also an attachment option at the bottom. Say you're leaving a comment or having a back and forth with your teammates, you can attach files right there as part of the conversation thread. Super handy for providing backup or clarity, and it keeps discussions and documents together, which really cuts down on email chaos. Now, let's make your data more visual by adding images directly inside individual cells. First, select the cell where you want your image to appear. Then look for the Insert Image button depending on your setup. It could be in the toolbar or after right-clicking. Click it and upload your chosen image. It could be a logo, product shot, proof of work, whatever fits your workflow. Once it's uploaded, your image now lives inside the cell, giving you a visual cue as you scan your sheet. Think about how easy it is to spot a product by its photo, rather than just reading the item code. This is a great way to make your sheet more engaging and easier to digest at a glance. And speaking of proofs and visuals, Smartsheet also lets you manage creative reviews or sign-offs using the proofing tool. On the relevant row, click on the proof icon. It's usually a little checkmark in a box symbol. Once you're there, upload your document or image for review. This workflow is perfect for design teams, marketing, or anyone who needs feedback or approval on creative assets. The proofing panel will walk you through adding comments, requesting feedback, or gathering approvals, all without leaving Smartsheet. It's like a mini collaboration hub nestled right in your project sheet, and that's it. Now you've seen how easy it is to organize your Smartsheet with file attachments, embedded images, and creative proofs. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, let me know your questions, or share your Smartsheet tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward how-tos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.